Hello beautiful people, good afternoon. It's afternoon already guys. We're starting the vlog quite late today because I woke up super late, like 10 a.m. already. Well, I went back to sleep because Scarlett kissed at 7 a.m. and she doesn't want to stay here. Last night it was raining non-stop and right now it's very gloomy. The weather has been so unpredictable, like gloomy at the same time it's also sunny. So I don't understand it. Anyway, it's already 1 p.m. That's why it's good afternoon. It's already 2023, guys. So I don't know. Yesterday, I was just really trying to not do anything because I was just thinking what are the things that I need to improve on this year, 2023. Do I need to get an editor? So that I would be productive with my vlogs. Like I have been thinking if I should get an editor because of my CTS carpal tunnel situation. I feel like if I'm gonna have an editor then I would be able to produce more vlogs and it's just gonna be a lot easier for me. At the same time, there's just so many social media platforms now. Like there is IG Reels, there's also TikTok, there's Facebook, and there's also YouTube Shorts. So yeah, I think YouTube Shorts is launching this year, 2023, and I also want to hop into that as well. You know, why not? There's just so much. It's pretty overwhelming to be a content creator, especially if you're a one-woman show, like you do everything. Like the concept and being the videographer, especially if you work with brands, it is so stressful for me. So that's why I try to ask my sister or Papa would be there or Vingo as well to help me with it. Anyway, this intro has been very long now. I'm just venting out with you guys, okay? I'm so sorry. We are going to clean the house, guys. Yesterday, Razel and I went to the car wash. So we washed Ruby. We gave her a bit of shower. And then Razel washed her motorbike as well. Oh, something happened. Wait, can we just eat a bit? And then I'm gonna share with you guys what happened yesterday that actually ruined my day. All right, guys, let's eat. Please don't mind the mess, okay, of the house. We're gonna clean that one out right after we eat. All right, so for my lunch, I have here ginamos. Wow, look at this, fermented little fish. Ta-da! It's got vinegar, onion, and some chili. We have here lumpia Shanghai. And of course, we have steamed bananas. I have here rice. This is actually corn rice. This is not the regular rice. Corn rice. This is good because it's less sugar, and my sister wants to have corn rice. We've been eating, you know, the regular rice for the past few days. Well, that's what we normally consume, but she just want to switch it up. So we have this one, and then I have here pinakbet as well. Guys, bon appetit. Let's eat. I'm pretty hungry already. Thank you, Lord. All right, let me just have one bite, and then I'll share with you guys the most terrifying thing that happened, not to me, that happened yesterday, which affected me. Guys, let's eat ginamos. Do you guys eat ginamos? This is actually, I'm craving for this one because after New Year or during the holidays, we've just been eating sweets and a lot of, you know, pork and chicken and stuff like that. Ginamos is also appetizing, by the way, because of the vinegar. Yesterday, I was gonna vlog so that I will be ahead of my schedule. Unfortunately, something happened to my phone. So yes, I do vlog using my phone. I had BSOD, guys. Do you guys know that? It's like, if it's in a computer, it's called blue screen of death. But since it's a phone, I think they call it black screen of death because my phone just went black. It's not functioning, nothing at all. And I was like panicking because I was so ready to vlog. Like Razel and I are gonna go to like wash the car and I'm gonna like start the vlog there and stuff like that. And then it just acted up on me and I was really pissed off. And yeah, I didn't know what to do. Since I don't have Wi-Fi here in the house, I didn't have any access to the internet. Like how could I search about what to do when things like this happen? So I removed the SIM card from my phone since I do have Smart there and I have a postpaid with Smart. and I inserted it in my spare phone and I searched. So yeah, if that happens to you, if you got the latest iPhone, I got the 14, you basically have to press once the volume up, and then press once the volume down, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. And yeah, that's how you restart the 14. I was really terrified. Like, what is going on? Like, all of my footage are in my phone. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat my lunch, guys. And then we're gonna clean the house. And yeah, it's just another day in the life here in the countryside. So the house is back to its original form now, though not this area over here, because these are all my laundries. Like, look at that. Pretty crazy. We are actually not allowed. There's like a superstitious beliefs, you know. You're not allowed to wash your laundry on the first day of the month. That's New Year. Because you're just gonna wash away all of the prosperity, all of the good luck and the stuff like that. So that's why I do have a lot of laundry there and in my bedroom as well. Anyway, so now that the holidays is done, we are going to remove our Christmas decor, guys. And then we're gonna put them in the storage. This tree is actually really good. I can still use this. Maybe I'll put this over there at the back of the door where the shoe rack is, and it will still look good. All right, I'll put all the balls right here. I decided to get a smaller tree so that it's easier to put away. All right, guys, so this is how our tree looks like. Ta-da! It doesn't look like Christmas tree anymore. And so it's still gonna be right here. I think it looks still okay. What do you guys think? This bottom right here, I mean the root, actually looks good because they also wrapped it with this brown thing. And yeah, it looks aesthetic still, so that's good. It's still very gloomy and windy outside. Wow, I also have to clean outside, guys. Fudge, there's so much leaves and trash everywhere. Hello everyone, it's already 4:30 p.m. and I just finished editing a video which you guys will be able to watch tonight. I'm just gonna have a snack. I had one earlier, which is a super cracker, fish cracker, and now I'm gonna have this. I'm just waiting for the video to be uploaded. We have 46 minutes, really. Okay, it's checking now. There you go. I'm actually gonna put this live tonight, so that's why I have to make sure that it will be uploaded. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, in 4 hours. All right. I'm gonna have some cereal, Cocoa Crunch, my favorite, with milk. And then tonight, I'll probably cook mussels. I haven't eaten it in such a long time, I think. And hopefully my sis got some sea grapes as well. All right, it's checking at 7%. It's so gloomy today, guys. I don't like it. It's just not giving me the energy. It's not a vibe for me. I hate it when it's very gloomy because you're just gonna feel down. Like you don't wanna move, you don't wanna do anything. Actually, one of my New Year's resolution is to be active. And I know it's easier said than done. Especially with my schedule, I have to vlog and edit. Yeah, like I want to have like a daily routine where I try to insert being active. Like it's a bit hard if you're doing it alone, I think. Like I don't have the motivation to do it. You know what, when I finish uploading like one video, it really does make me happy. I feel like I'm so accomplished, even if it's only one video. Like I would be more accomplished if like I've uploaded a lot. Alright, hello, good evening everyone. Sis is here now, so we're gonna prepare dinner. I have mentioned to you guys earlier that we are going to have mussels. So we have here 1 kilo of mussels. We're gonna make this into a stew. And we have here all of the chopped ingredients. So we have ginger, garlic, onion, lemongrass, we have chili, and then we have this as well, spring onions. All right, also for tonight, we are gonna have this sea grapes. This is so yummy. This is actually one of my favorite seaweed. And then we're also gonna have, look, this is corn rice as well. So we're gonna start cooking our mussels, everybody. Ta-da! And then we have here some oil. Our food is ready. We have corn rice, watermelon from the New Year, which is not ripe, I think. Look, it's very pale. We have here lumpia, sea grape sauce, ginamos, again, my favorite. We have here mussel soup. So Scarlett and Atan are not here yet, so we're gonna eat first since we're both hungry. Bon appetit. Oh, this is gonna be a feast. Let's eat, everybody. Spicy. The perfect combination. When you have hot soup, if you want to pair it with corn rice, it's just so good. The sea grapes is really crunchy. The thing about mussels though is that the shell is very big and like the inside is just that. So small. Hello. Hi! No. Where's Panda? I thought you got Panda.
Where is she?
Hi, Panda. Hi. I think Panda peed just. You know what? I really love this. Oh, you don't put it there. It's very spicy.
You want to eat this?
So spicy.